Now, the incumbent party president, Dr. Peter Phillips, is suggesting this evening that the PNP is way advanced in preparing for the next general election. He contends that whenever a general election is called, the PNP will emerge victorious. Dr. Peter Phillips was speaking at a Southwest Clarendon meeting yesterday.
The People's National Party is alive and it is well.
It's 3 days to the launch of Dr. Peter Phillips's One PNP campaign, and the incumbent party president has been trying to rev up party faithfuls as he seeks to hold on to the leadership.
So you ready, comrades? You're ready for the victory of the People's National Party?
Seemingly undaunted by the polls which have not favored him as party president, Dr. Peter Phillips told supporters in Clarendon that he has been putting in the work to ensure the PNP will win the next general election.
We have started the covenant discussions because when we have our philosophy clear and our mission clear, then we are able to put the personality issues to one side.
There's that, and the party, he says, has been preparing to face the electorate.
And in that regard, what I would say simply is this: we have more candidates in place than we have ever had at this point in an electoral cycle in the country of Jamaica.
Of the 63 candidates expected to contest the polls, he explained that there are over 20 young new MP hopefuls who've been selected as part of the party's renewal process.
Preparation for elections requires detailed, hard work. Street by street, lane by lane, house by house, voter by voter, that we have to go out there, do the work, enumerate the people, carry the message. And if we do that, I am confident of the victory of the People's National Party.